subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Oppo Reno4 and Reno4 Pro, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in China called Oppo Reno4 SE with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno4 SE features a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio and 90.8% skin-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 720 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC3 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.0 storage. In terms of optics, the Reno4 SE supports a triple camera setup on the rear in a square module at the top left corner including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with 119° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 32MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.4 aperture. Both the front and rear camera features electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on ColorOS 7.2 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4300 mAh battery with 65 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with Hyper Boost 4.0 technology for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.5 by 73.9 by 7.85mm and it weighs around 169 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno4 SE has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 2,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in Super Flash Black, Super Flash Blue and Super Flash White color options, and it will go on sale starting from September 25th. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno4 SE smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.